Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to back up all the drivers installed on your Windows computer using a simple command prompt command. As you can see, these are the drivers currently installed on this PC in Device Manager. If you ever need to reinstall Windows, reset your PC, or want to keep a copy of your drivers for safety, creating a backup can save you a lot of time. Let's see how to export and back up all installed drivers in just a few clicks. First, create a folder where you want to save the driver backup. For example, create a folder named Drivers on your F drive. Now click the Start button, search for CMD, and select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type the command shown on the screen. Replace the destination folder path with the folder you created earlier, then press Enter. Windows will now start exporting all third-party drivers installed on your computer. Depending on the number of drivers, this process may take a few minutes. Once the operation is completed successfully, open the drivers folder. You'll find backup copies of all exported drivers stored there. That's it. You have successfully backed up your Windows drivers using Command Prompt. This backup can be very useful before reinstalling Windows or when troubleshooting driver-related issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.